doing here? In fact, what am I doing here? What's that? Spunky! Earthquake!
Ew! I got car all over my boot! You left that for me to step in, didn't you? Why, you little pipsqueak. I'll squeeze you like a pimple!
I don't think we're in Town anymore, Spunky. Spunky's trapped in the sewer? Oh no! He is gone! I'll save you, little buddy. It won't fit! Spunky! Oh, I can save him if only I weren't so big!
What's up, big guy?
I wish I was small again.
Here, take these magic mittens and clap them together 3 times, repeating these words. I wish I was small.
I wish I was small. I wish I was small. I wish I'm coming, Spunky! Spunky, you're okay? And we're home. Wow, what a weird dream. You were in it?
You okay, little guy?
You were there? And you?
Here's your box back.
And you?
Get back to work, slacker.
And... I've never seen you before.
You're off model, kangaroo boy.
Remember, all you out there in TV land, you don't have to be tall to be really, really big.